almost never do this, but I entered a raffle to win a motorcycle in Florida. The raffle supports Forgotten Angels. I'm going to call out a couple of YouTubers by name, even though I usually don't because I'm not affiliated with anybody. But this is a particular cause that I can get behind. The organization is called Forgotten Angels. They support, I'm going to say children, even though what they support children who have aged out of the foster care system. So yes, they are technically adults. They're 18 and probably a couple of years older as they go through the program. But this organization helps them, gets them set up with a place to live. Like they have like a big property in Florida where they build them, have them build or have built and have access to tiny homes. So that gives them an address, helps them get a bank account, helps them try and find a job, helps them, I mean, the kind of things that the foster parents should be doing for them, or should have been teaching them life skills. But these are the kind of kids, usually the foster parents had them because they get paid, because if you are a foster parent, you do get a stipend from the state, at least in Indiana, and I would assume Florida, and probably most states. And once you're an adult, I guess in Florida anyway, they stop paying you once the kids are adults. So they boot them because, hey, you're an adult, bye. Which is kind of small of them. So this organization tries to pick up from that. And I really, really would like to get this bike. Fat chance, I know, because I bought one ticket. Tickets are, so this is Forgotten Angels. It's through, the best way to find the link to it is to go to Shade Tree Surgeon's channel or Shaylisi. I bet Flipna has links on so many of his videos. If you just look for them, it's a little searching. But the dealership, the Harley dealership that Shade Tree works with, is offered up a 2020 Road King with a 131 and a suspension setup. It's Road King Kong. And I tell you, if any of those people catch wind of me yakking, if I win that, boy howdy. One, I'm going to be super excited because, come on now, I haven't won anything big like that ever. Two, I will ride it home to Indiana. I will get down there somehow. And I'm not shipping that. No, that's getting ridden home. I think they're in Tampa area. I know, okay, so we're looked up a couple of distances, like from my house to, say, like Destin, which is definitely on the Panhandle, is like 700 miles. I don't know what it is to Orlando from my house, but, you know, it's like a 14-hour drive. But, tell you what, I would get down there somehow, maybe take the family along as a trip, that'd be fine. Ride that sucker home, time-lapse it, something, have this camera attached, have this mic attached, so you can hear me giggle like a little girl over 100, what did that thing dyno at, 130 horsepower or something, and some, almost 150 foot-pound, I don't know, it was ridiculous, and, yeah. Now, the odds of that happening are basically nil, but not zero. Close to it, but not quite. We shall see. They're planning on doing some kind of a camp out. That probably won't happen for me, just because really, if it's one of those situations where I can win it, it's going to be get down there and then really just turn right back around and come back. You know, maybe spend the day, because I still got to work. I can take time off, but I still got to work, and I'm not. If I can't bring the family along, I am not going to be gone any longer than I absolutely have to. My wife and I have children in the plural. I'm not going to make her stay home for a week without me to deal with several children. That's not right. Well, I'm goofing off and having fun. So, if it's one of those, if I can't take them, it'll just be a plane ride down, and whatever I need to get around to meet up with people Uber, taxi. Maybe one of them give me a ride. Whatever. I'm not gonna impose on anybody. Walk if I have to, for crying out loud. But I'm still not so keen on the whole being stuck in a big metal tube with people with the Rona. But maybe, I know it would be a great adventure and a great swan song for this bike. Be to ride it down there and sell it to ride Road King Kong home. That would be cool. Now, even if I win, that's a fat chance. Fella can dream. Fella can have dreams. Let's see if I can work that out. That might be the way to do it. Ride this sucker to Florida to sell it to ride home on Road King Kong. I can dream. I know better. But, well, let's just say if it happens, they'll probably be able to hear me yell from Indiana. It's all fun. It's a good cause. Go buy tickets, at least one. With the Weems. So Weems Motor Co. built a chopper that they just raffled off like a couple of weeks ago, if that. It's not even that long. And they raised over $100,000. That's awesome. I don't know why I wasn't part of it last time. I didn't think I should. Didn't think I wanted to. I should have. I am this time. Not a big part, but a part. It's not zero. Go support them. Also, they're fun to watch. I mean, I'm subscribed to all of them, so I watch most of their stuff if I have time or remember. I don't know if I watch all the live streams as much, but I watch all their produced content. It's fun to watch. They're a fun crowd. A little wilder than me, but that doesn't say much. It doesn't mean a whole lot. Riding motorcycles around is as wild as I get. And even then, it's pretty tame. I mean, as evidenced